Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joanna Moshka, and if this is your first time here, you're welcome. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So in today's video, I'll be doing something a bit different from the normal thing. I'll be making my hair. I'll be trying out the boho knotless braids, or the goddess braid as we call it here in Nigeria. So my hair is already packed in a bun, as you can see. I've washed, blow dried, steamed, and deep conditioned my hair already. I normally do braids during, like, when I want to do protective hairstyling, and when I don't just want my hair to be everywhere, I normally do my braids. So yeah, I'll be trying the ginger color today. Guys, I've been hearing so much about ginger color, so I'm going to be trying it out today. My eyes have been on it for a very long time now, but I've been so indifferent about it because I'll be like, "Ah, can ginger fit my skin tone?" You know, you have to have, like, there's some skin tones that ginger fits, like ginger hair color fits. So yeah, I'm just going to try it today. So I'll be showing you what the extensions look like. I'll be using the Lush hair. I'm using Lush hair. I'll be using this color 30 Lush hair. So yeah, this is the braid. This is the super pack. I got this for 5,000 naira, and then I also got the Wild Braids 350. This is the ginger color. I got this for 3.5. I know it's quite small, but yeah. So my hairdresser is on her way. She'll be here by like 8. So basically, I'll just be prepping my hair and just getting ready for my braids. So yeah, you guys be joining me on this adventure.
So I'll be using this small pack from Lush Hair in color 350. This is the wild braid pack. It's quite small. I think I bought it for about 3,000 naira. So this is Lush Hair in color 30. This is the jumbo braids. I got it for about 5,000 naira. So basically I'll mix the color 350 and color 30 together to give me a ginger color. So I'll be showing you what the color looks like. So yeah, I hope this color really suits my skin tone and it makes me look beautiful. So yeah, let's dive right into the video.
So basically, those are the two extensions we'll be using. We're using color 30 and color 350. So when the braider comes, I'll be showing you the color we finally came up with. So yeah, let me not bore you up. Let's get right into the video. But follow the steps because I'll be showing you the step by step on how to achieve this high premium fiber look. The look will be up here. How I achieve the look with just premium hair fiber, not human hair. So let's get right into the video.
So my braider made it in time. This is the attachment already mixed. Like she's mixing it right here. It's giving ginger vibe. So yeah, I really love this color. So this is the outcome of the mixing. I really love this color. It's giving ginger vibe. So yeah. So this is the point where they section the hair into smaller bits, so it'll be easier to do the hair and make it faster. You know, for knotless braid, it kind of resembles Ghana weaving in the sense that you just have to break down the attachment into smaller pieces to achieve that particular look. The braiding process started and they began to section my hair into smaller bits. We started from the back. This was her trying to make a single braid so I can confirm if I like the size. I was going for a medium size knotless braids. I didn't want it too big or too small. And I actually think she got what I wanted. And at the end of the braid, I noticed that she is measuring it against the other braids to be sure that it's the same length, and then ties the end of the braid because we will be coiling it at the end of the braid so that the hair doesn't scatter. So this is the point where you notice that a strand of attachment was attached at the beginning of my hair. So this braid right here is the extra coily hair that you saw in the picture I showed you, and you would have to do this while you are still braiding the hair. I don't think you can add attachment when you're done with the hair, so that the coily part is part of the hair that will be coiled by the end of this video. I am going to show you guys that. So basically, she starts with my own hair, she braids my hair with my natural hair, and then begins to add attachments step by step. As you can see, this is just to give it that kind of knotless jumbo braid. Yeah, that's where the name came from. It's basically knotless. So you're starting with the person's natural hair, as you can see in this video. At this point, I got so hungry and I had to eat some jollof rice, and just jollof rice. If you're not Nigeria, is one of our most popular dishes. It's called jollof rice.
When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you coming to my yard uninvited. Can you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now about what you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm caught, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and you feel things. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on, then fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Already, when I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you coming to my yard uninvited. Can you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now about what you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm caught, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and you feel things. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on, then fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
So basically the braiding process is done. Now these are just the pieces of attachment that was previously attached to my hair, and now we're going to coil twist it. We basically twist it and then add it to a coily rollers. I don't know what they call this thing, guys. I'm so sorry, I don't really know the terms of all these braiding things. But yeah, after now she's going to coil it in the coiler. So now she's basically bending the hair through the coiler. Like I said before, we're going to be putting those twists we left out into a coiler. That's what she's basically doing now. So yeah, and then after we dip it in hot water to allow the curls pop more. So yeah. So now for the down part of this hair, we're going to coil it. So we're basically using like a Brazilian wool to like tie the hair. So basically she's wrapping the hair around, just slightly wrapping the hair, and then she's going to use the thread to just pass it around the hair to give it a curls. I'm sure most of you know this curls. These are like the curls we use in those days, but yeah, I really love the outcome of this curl. So yeah, she's dragging it. So yeah, that's the curls we are trying to get. So once you're done wrapping around the hair, you just tie the knots and then you allow the hair, then you dip the hair into hot water basically, and you've gotten your curls. So yeah, just watch what she's doing and I'm sure you understand. Okay. So this is the end look of when we're done putting the curls on the coiler and coiling it down. So I look like a little monster here. I'm so cute, guys. So yeah, basically this is how the curls will be looking. So now we're going to dip it in hot water for the curls to pop more. So yeah. So yeah, I've already added it in hot water and this is what the hair looks like, guys. So basically she's adding some mousse to the hair just to slip the hair, to remove all those like strands of hair that are coming out. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This mousse is so cooling, guys. I enjoy this process so much. Look at me, I'm almost sleeping, guys. Anyways, yeah, so this is the hair. If you guys love this hair, give it a comment in the comment section if you'll be trying out this hairstyle. I'm so in love with this hair, guys. So yeah, so I'll be using Eco Styler gel at the down part of my hair to define the curls more. So basically, you know, we used hot water on the hair, so the hair is quite wet right now, so we just add the Eco Styler to the hair just to define the curls more so it doesn't loosen. So that's what she's basically doing here. I really love this hairstyle, and guys, this is my first time trying out the boho hair and I'm so in love because it's everything. It's giving what it's meant to be given. I think that the braider did a great job in doing this hair. If you love this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.